Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna be making MIffy Biscuit keychain. I've been wanting to make a crochet biscuit because I think they are cute, and I decided to make it in MIffy style. This one I think is fairly easy, so let's just get started with the video. I'm using 5-ply milk cotton yarns, and then for the mouth part, we're gonna need a thinner yarn, so I'm using polyester yarn in black, and then a pair of 5mm plastic eyes, scissors, 3mm hook, and a needle. We're gonna start with a magic ring. So basically you just have to wrap the yarn around your fingers, and then when you flip it, there will be 2 lines. You're gonna put the hook under the first line and hook over into the second one. Let go of your left fingers and make a chain to finish the magic ring. We're gonna continue with 3 chains, and we're gonna count these 3 chains as 1 double crochet. And we're gonna make a double crochet. We're gonna loop the yarn into the hook, and then insert the hook into the magic ring and pull out the yarn. There will be 3 lines on your hook. Yarn over and pull it out from the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull out from the last 2 loops. That's a double crochet. Since we need 9 double crochet, we're gonna make 8 more of this. As I said before, we're gonna count the 3 chains that we made in the beginning as 1 double crochet. So in the end of the row, there will be 10 double crochet in total. When you're done, you can pull the yarn to close the hole, and we're gonna do a slip stitch on the 3rd chain. And you're done with the first row. Now we're gonna move into the second row. We're gonna start the second row with 3 chains, and just like the previous row, we're gonna count this as 1 double crochet. And we're gonna make 1 double crochet in the same stitch as we make the chains. And for the next stitches, we're gonna make increase double crochet. So basically we just need to make 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. I just made my first double crochet, and now I'm gonna continue make another double crochet in the same stitch. We're gonna continue making increase double crochet until the end of the row, and there would be 20 double crochet in total. Slip stitch to the 3rd chain to finish the row. And now we're gonna make the ear part. We're gonna start with 7 chains. Skip 2 chains and make half double crochet on the 3rd chain. Half double crochet is similar to double crochet, but instead of pulling out the yarn from the first and the second loops, we're just gonna pulling it out from all the loops. And we're gonna continue making half double crochet 4 more times. When you're done, you can do a slip stitch on the next stitch. And another one on the next one. And continue with 7 chains for the second ear. We're gonna repeat the process, so we're gonna skip 2 chains, then make 5 half double crochet. When you're done, you can make a slip stitch on the next stitch. You can cut the yarn and pull it out from the loops. And we're gonna make an invisible finish. We're gonna insert the yarn into the second stitch from the last stitch. And we're gonna go back into the last stitch. So you're gonna insert the yarn into the middle of the last stitch. And that is an invisible finish. When you're done, you can just tie the yarn to secure it. If you want the brown to be as an outer part, then you're gonna make one more in brown and one in white. But if you want the white as an outer part, then you're gonna make two white and one brown. Now we're gonna go glue the eyes. I'm using 5mm plastic eyes, and I'm suggesting to use plastic eyes that doesn't have the pointy part behind the eyes. But since I don't have it in the size I wanted, I'm just gonna use the one that I have. We're gonna place the eyes between the first and the second row, both on the left side and the right side. And for the mouth part, we're gonna make it on the first row. Basically, we're gonna make the letter X to form the mouth. When you're done, you can make a knot to secure the yarn and cut the excess. Since I don't have the safety part, I'm just gonna glue the eyes. And I'm gonna cut it off a little bit so that it doesn't get in the way when we put the biscuit together. And basically, we're just gonna glue the three pieces together. For the first and the second piece, we're gonna glue the back side of the brown one, or the first piece, with the front part of the second piece, which is the white one. Continuing with the third piece, we're gonna glue the back side of the white one with the back side of the third piece. When you want to make it as a keychain, you can add the keychain after gluing the three pieces together, and that's basically it. And that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Comment what should I make next, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!